The ACEBOTT Robot Arm Kit is a remarkable tool for young robotics enthusiasts, allowing them to build a programmable robotic arm with 5 degrees of freedom using an ESP32 controller. With 16 guided tutorials and high-definition assembly videos, this kit provides a hands-on experience in robot control, coding, and problem-solving, making it ideal for children and teenagers interested in STEM. Designed to be beginner-friendly, it includes uniform screws and instructional videos, making the assembly process accessible and enjoyable for kids as young as 8 years old. The kit's expandability is a standout feature, supporting modular add-ons like cameras and solar panels, encouraging ongoing exploration and learning as children grow. Dual control options via an infrared remote or mobile application offer seamless indoor and outdoor play, enhancing the interactive experience and engaging young minds in robotics. Equipped with omnidirectional Mecanum wheels, the robot can perform advanced movement patterns, promoting spatial awareness and critical thinking in an educational setting.